Welcome back. It's time now for the Financial Week. Micro and small business operators in Manor Park, St. Andrew took another step to expanding their customer base. This after signing up their businesses to use electronic payment platforms. Dwayne Anderson has the details.
The digital divide in Jamaica remains very wide. A recent report by the Bank of Jamaica BOJ indicated that more than 70% of personal consumption transactions by Jamaicans remain cash-based. This initiative, led by MasterCard, is to help fix that problem by making it easier for these vendors based in Manor Park, St. Andrew, to accept electronic payments. Delano Steve Wright is the State Minister in the Ministry of Investment and Industry. He was part of the team that helped to bring this public-private partnership initiative to vendors.
Small businesses are going to be the cornerstone of the cornerstone of any economy in terms of ensuring that money moves around, that communities are taken care of, that social development is achieved. Small businesses matter, and in order to ensure that they can continue to grow, they have to get fully engaged in the digital space.
The smile on this vendor's face told the entire story. A tap of the card on her phone triggers the payment. And just like that, she made a $1,400 sale.
And then we just get the newly cards them now that you can tap. And you don't have to use cash. You come and purchase and you can tap. You don't have to come with cash no more. You can come with your tapping card. So we have all of that. So business that take time a climb.
The rollout in Manor Park, St. Andrew builds on a pilot previously executed in the craft markets in Montego Bay, St. James. The e-commerce payment partnership is also the latest attempt to help make vendors who operate in Manor Park's bus lay-by more comfortable.
Before it was when it was rain, we got wet. Now we are inside, we're dry, cool. Yes, it's better for us. We have a lot of new customers. We have people come and like the place, they like the shop. And we do appreciate the shop. We love the shop.
There's currently a public-private partnership ongoing to improve this space, to improve the facilities here for the vendors, to ensure proper landscaping and so on. So it's a critical node in the Kingston and St. Andrew metropolitan area.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.
To some news on the stock market now. The JSE index advanced by 2,215 points today, while the junior market index declined by 24 points. The winners include Sterling Investments US dollar shares, KLE Group, The Lab, Kingston Wharves, and Paramount Trading. The losers include Blue Power Group, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Caribbean Cream, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, and 138 Student Living Jamaica, 17 stocks traded firm. And foreign exchange trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $158.93. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.81. The pound is going for $218.62, while the euro is selling for an average $190.84. And that's the Financial Week. News from overseas and our bite of the week after the break.